The velocity of a particle moving along a straight line is given by v is equal to 3t square minus t, where t is in second, v is in meter per second. First, we have to find the distance traveled by particle from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 seconds. And next is displacement of particle from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 seconds. First, we'll find displacement because that is direct. Our equation is v is equal to 3t square minus t. V is equal to 3t square minus t. T square minus t. For in place of v, we will put dx upon dt, and this will be 3t square minus t. T square minus t. Now we will do dx is equal to 3t square dt, t square dt minus t dt. Now we'll integrate it. That will be integration of dx is equal to 3 integration of t square dt minus t dt minus 3 into t dt. You have to find displacement from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 seconds. So we will integrate it from 0 to 2. This will give a displacement delta x, and here we will get 3 0 to 2. We have to find displacement 0 to 2. 0 to 2. We will get t cubed by 3 minus 3 0 to 2 and t square by 2. T square by 2 0 to 2. Now this will give delta x is equal to 3 3 will cancel out, 8 0 to 2 8, so that will be 8 minus 3 by 2 and 4 minus 0, that will be 4 minus 0, so it will come to that will come 2 meter. So displacement of 0 to 2 is 2 meter. Next we have to find distance. To find distance, first we will do last part. The speed is minimum after t is equal to 0 second. So first we will see when speed becomes 0, or we want to see the turning point. Here the velocity is 3t square minus t. So for turning point, we will do v is equal to 0 for turning point. That will give you t square minus t is equal to 0 minus t is equal to 0, and then that is t into t minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will give you t is equal to 0 second and 1 second. So the turning point is at 1 second. Now the first part, the distance traveled. For distance traveled, we will need, I think, I'm going to rub this. For distance traveled, we need this equation. Which one? This one. Which one? Delta x is equal to, in terms of t देख लेते हैं, indefinite iteration के फॉर्म में, that will be 3t cube by 3. If we don't use the limit, then it will be t cube and minus 3 by 2 t square. Okay, so rest we will rub. Now we have to find distance. This for distance, we must know the turning point. Here turning point is 1 second. Our turning point is 1 second. That means up to 1 second, particle move in positive direction. When you put 0 and something like that, when you put half, half is square minus half, no, up to 1 second it moves in negative direction, then it turns after 1 second it moves in positive direction. So it is like this, and to t is equal to 0, the velocity is 0. Also the displacement is 0 at t is equal to 0. So you can see it will move negative direction from 0 to 1 second, and then it move in positive direction from 1 second to 2 seconds. So first we will calculate white one from 0 to 1 second. Displacement from 0 to 1 second. We will find this one. Suppose this one is 0 to 1 second. Displacement is from 0 to 1 second. We will calculate magnitude of it only. So from 0 to 1 second displacement, just here we'll put limit t cube from 0 to 1 second minus 3 by 2 t square 0 to 1. That will be 1 cube minus 0. That is 1 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. That is 1 minus 1.5. That is minus 0.5. Next, we will find displacement from 1 to 2 second. This displacement from 1 to 2 second. Okay. Displacement from 1 to 2 second. Again, we will use the same thing. displacement from 1 to 2 seconds. We will use limits and general expression t cube 0 to 1 minus, sorry, not 0 to 1, from 1 to 2. It is from 1 to 2 minus 3 by 2 t square from 1 to 2, 1 second to 2 seconds. So it will be 8 to 2 means 8 minus 1 minus 3 by 2, 4 minus 1. So it will come delta x from 1 to 2 will be 8 minus 1 will be 7, and 3 by 2 uh, minus 3 by 2 into 3. Okay, that will be 7 minus 9 by 2. So this will be 2, 14 minus 9, and 14 minus 9 is 5, that is 2.5. So, and this is the value of delta x12. Now what we have to do, we have to find displacement, total displacement. So sorry, total distance. We have to find distance now. So suppose s is distance, that will be mod of delta x 0 to 1 and mod of delta x 1 to 2. So that will be 0.5 plus 2.5, and it will come 3. So the total distance covered is 3 meters. So we have solved all the parts.